How to use intelligent remote sensing to make farmland information go digital. How to generate the optimal operation plan with the help of artificial intelligence. How to realize autonomous farmland management through precise operation. These are all questions what the XAG P40 agricultural drone can answer. The newly developed Super X4 intelligent control system gives XAG P40 the most powerful functionality with leading dual-engine RTK high-accuracy positioning, automatic route planning, and the XAG RealTerra RevoSpray and RevoCast system. It is easy to achieve fully autonomous farmland mapping, precise crop protection, and intelligent broadcast. The XAG P40 is compact and flexible for operation and transportation. Equipped with a 20-liter smart liquid tank, its spray width can reach 6 meters and covers more than 13 hectares per hour to its maximum. Switched into the RevoCast system, the capacity of the container can be increased to 25 liters and the broadcast width is extended to 10 meters. The XAG P40 agricultural drone is equipped with a multi-directional radar matrix, including the front dynamic radar and terrain radar to provide more sophisticated obstacle avoidance, and therefore ensure your flight safety. Through the PSL pilot perspective image, users can learn the drone's working status and crop condition in real time, making precision operation possible even in complex environments. For the first time, the XAG RealTerra system enables the agricultural drone to have rapid mapping capability. It can shoot, map, and analyze farmland images autonomously, generating high-definition field maps in which farmland boundaries are accurately identified. Its mapping efficiency is more than 80 times that of traditional manual labor. The RevoSpray system also has the 4th generation of the intelligent rotary atomization spraying system. It has increased the maximum flow to 10 liters per minute. The new high-efficiency centrifugal atomization nozzle allows it to adjust droplet size freely between 60 and 400 microns. The smart liquid tank can detect the remaining amount in real time to further ensure spraying accuracy. Efficient, even, and unharmful to seeds, the XAG RevoCast pushes the physical limit of centrifugal broadcast. With a unique spiral feeding mechanism and innovative double-spreading disc, the XAG RevoSpray and RevoCast can help you achieve precise variable rate application to reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizers, not only protecting the environment, but also improving the safety of agricultural products. The new intelligent supercharged battery with a 10% higher energy density takes only 11 minutes to recharge in water at high speed. With IP67 level protection, module level waterproofing, and dustproofing, the XAG P40 can be washed directly and is more resistant to pesticide corrosion. The newly upgraded XAG One app is designed for digital farming to pair your agricultural drone with a smartphone. All operations, from farmland mapping to crop protection, can be completed with a few clicks. The XAG P40 agricultural drone ushers in a new era of autonomous farm management,